Hi Kimberly, each week you will be required to complete a journal reflecting your experience from that past week. So I just wanted to show you how to do that and where to access that. So we're here at the announcements page, which is your entry point for the course. You're going to click on this tab called Weekly Task Journals. When you click into that, you're going to see right here your personal journal with your name. You're just going to click on this blue link here. After you click on the blue link, you can just read the description. This will be the same every time you click in here. So again, what you're going to do is at the end of each week, you're going to reflect on your tasks and responsibilities that you held during the practicum. Discuss how your experience was, what you're learning, how you're feeling about it, any highs and lows that you're having, and how your director is helping to support you. So again, I just want you to have a chance to kind of decompress, to share what you're doing, share what you're learning. Any questions or concerns that you're having about your practicum experience can also be listed here. This is just a way for me to know exactly what you're doing from week to week to make sure that you're maintaining the responsibilities that you need to be doing and the things that I want you to be experiencing during your practicum. And this is a way, since we won't be meeting on a weekly basis, that I can make sure that that's happening and hold your director accountable for making sure that you are receiving the types of experiences that you need to for this 300 hours of your practicum. So how do you create a journal entry? So that's very, very simple. So you're going to go up right here. There's a link that says Create Journal Entry. You're going to click on that link there. It's going to pull up this screen here. On the title, just each week, just title it, week 1 journal entry, week 2 journal entry, depending on what week of the semester that you're in. You can click into this box here, personalize your entry, reflect on the topics that I asked you to reflect on, and then when you're done, you'll hit post entry there, and then I will be able to see that journal entry as well. So I just wanted to give you these instructions so that you were clear on how to do that. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thanks so much, Kimberly. Bye-bye.